I'm Mary Kibler, and I have a Mary Minute for you today. You know, a while back, quite a while back, my daughter sent me a tape of her singing. She likes to sing, and I like to hear her sing. And I was listening to that tape. In fact, I listened to it so much I wore it out. But the point of the message is today, God likes to hear your voice. I wonder if he can record it and then play it back whenever he wants to. Who knows? But but I know that he loves to hear your voice. And the only thing that when we're talking to him, and that's all that prayer is talking to God and telling him how you feel about things, and just praising him. You know, that's all that prayer is. And he loves to hear your voices. And besides that, he keeps your prayers in little vials, like vases. So he must be able to review them somehow, because why would he keep them if he couldn't? So pray to God often, talk to him, and keep him in your thoughts, because he loves you so much. You have a Jesus-filled day.